AI is becoming more sophisticated at doing what humans do. AI and robotics have enormous potential in healthcare. AI and robotics are increasingly becoming a part of our healthcare ecosystem just as they are in our daily lives. In fact, the application of AI in healthcare is vast and expanding rapidly. AI has the potential to assist healthcare providers in seamless managing patients, data, and administrative work. Most AI and healthcare technologies have powerful applications, but the strategies they support can vary depending on the healthcare provider and organization. Welcome back, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Today we will discuss the rise of AI and medical technology. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on to get notified when we update videos like this one. Artificial intelligence has the potential to help the healthcare industry address many of its challenges. However, it is critical to ensure that AI development and implementation are ethical and responsible, with issues such as data privacy, algorithm bias, and the potential to impact healthcare professionals and patients considered. It is critical to ensure that AI does not replace human healthcare and that healthcare professionals are trained to collaborate with AI tools to provide the best possible care to their parents. Some experts believe AI in healthcare can outperform humans. Some remain skeptical of a significant shift in healthcare towards artificial intelligence as development. Having said that, the use of artificial intelligence has grown significantly over the years as it has the potential to improve healthcare quality, reduce costs, and save lives. However, it is critical to ensure that the use of AI in healthcare is ethical and transparent, as well as that the privacy and privacy of patients is protected. So let us investigate the rapid rise of artificial intelligence in healthcare, its scope, and other aspects. Number 1. Diagnosis and therapy. By analyzing patient data such as medical history, test results, and imaging scans, AI can help improve the accuracy and speed of diagnosis. This can assist healthcare professionals in identifying conditions that may have been overlooked or misdiagnosed, resulting in more effective and timely treatment. AI can also help with treatment selection by analyzing patient data and determining the best treatment options based on factors like disease stage, genetic makeup, and comorbidities. AI can assist in accurate and speedy diagnosis and treatment selection by analyzing patient data. Number 2. Healthcare access. Chatbots powered by AI can help expand access to healthcare services, particularly in rural or underdeveloped areas where healthcare professionals or medical facilities may be scarce. Patients may use these tools to receive medical consultations, monitor chronic conditions, and access mental health services without having to visit a physical medicine facility. AI-powered chatbots can expand access to healthcare services, especially in underdeveloped areas. Number 3. Management of chronic diseases. AI can help with chronic disease management by analyzing patient data like blood glucose levels, blood pressure readings, and medication adherence to identify trends and patterns that may indicate a change in a patient's condition. This data can be used to develop personalized treatment plans and inventions such as medication adjustments or lifestyle changes to assist patients in better managing their condition and reducing the risk of complications. AI can help manage chronic diseases by analyzing patient data and developing personalized treatment plans. Number 4. Manpower shortages. AI can help alleviate labor shortages by automating routine tasks such as appointment scheduling, medical record processing, and patient triage. This allows healthcare professionals to focus on more complex tasks like diagnosis and treatment while greatly reducing the administrative burden. AI can alleviate labor shortages by automating routine tasks and reducing the administrative burden on healthcare professionals. Number 5. Medical investigation. AI can help accelerate medical research by analyzing large sets of data from clinical trials and medical studies and identifying patterns and insights that human researchers may not notice right away. Researchers will be able to better understand disease mechanisms, develop new treatments, and improve patient outcomes because of this. AI can accelerate medical research by analyzing large sets of data and identifying patterns and insights. Number 6. Patient participation. Patients can use AI-powered apps and wearables to track their health metrics, monitor medication adherence, and receive real-time feedback and recommendations. This can enable patients to take a more active role in their healthcare while also assisting healthcare professionals in better monitoring and managing their patients' conditions. Number 7. Healthcare prevention. By analyzing patient data to identify individuals who may be at risk for a certain condition based on their medical history, lifestyle data, and other factors, AI can help predict and prevent health problems before they occur. This allows healthcare professionals to intervene earlier, providing personalized interventions and preventive care that can help improve patient outcomes while lowering healthcare costs. AI can predict and prevent health problems before they occur by analyzing patient data. Number 8, diagnostic medical imaging. Image analysis powered by AI can assist healthcare professionals in detecting and diagnosing diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders with greater accuracy and speed than traditional methods. For example, AI can analyze medical images to identify patterns and anomalies that the human eye may miss, allowing for earlier and more accurate diagnosis. AI-powered image analysis can assist in detection and diagnosis of diseases with greater accuracy and speed. Number 9, EHRs. AI can assist healthcare professionals in making sense of the massive amounts of data contained within EHRs by identifying patterns and insights that human analysis may miss. AI, for example, can analyze EHR data to identify patients who, based on their medical history and lifestyle factors, are at risk of developing certain conditions, allowing for proactive interventions. Number 10, individualized medicine. AI can assist healthcare professionals in developing personalized treatment plans based on each patient's medical history, genetic information, lifestyle data, and other factors. AI, for example, can assist in identifying the most effective treatments for a specific patient based on their unique characteristics, lowering the risk of adverse reactions and improving patient outcomes. Number 11, drug development. By identifying potential drug targets, screening drug candidates, and predicting drug efficacy and safety, AI can help speed up the drug development process. For example, by analyzing large datasets for genetic and medical data, AI can help identify new drug targets and predict the safety and efficiency of new drugs based on clinical trial data. Number 12, healthcare management. AI can aid in the optimization of healthcare operations by increasing patient flow, decreasing wait times, and optimizing staff schedules. For example, AI can analyze patient data to predict demand for specific services, allowing healthcare facilities to better allocate resources and reduce wait times. Number 13, telemedicine. AI-powered telemedicine tools can aid in the expansion of healthcare access, particularly in rural or underserved areas. AI-powered chatbots, for example, can provide basic medical consultations and triage patients based on their symptoms, allowing patients to receive care remotely rather than traveling to a physical medicine facility. Number 14, surgical robotics. AI-powered robotic systems can help surgeons perform complex procedures with greater precision and accuracy. These robots can analyze real-time data, provide improved visualization, and allow for minimally invasive techniques, resulting in better surgical outcomes and faster patient recovery. Mental health support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide mental health support by offering personalized counseling, monitoring emotional well-being, and recommending coping strategies. These tools can aid in increasing access to mental health resources and aiding those in need. The rise of artificial intelligence in healthcare has the potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery and improve patient outcomes. Medical imaging analysis, electronic health records, personalized treatment plans, drug development, and virtual assistants are all examples of how AI is being used in the healthcare sector. Notably, the future of AI in healthcare appears bright. Artificial intelligence has the potential to improve diagnosis speed and accuracy, personalized treatment plans, and improve patient outcomes. As AI advances and becomes more sophisticated, it may be able to predict health outcomes and develop more personalized treatment plans for patients more accurately. However, as AI becomes more prevalent in healthcare, there are concerns about data privacy, security, and ethics that may be addressed. Overall, the rise of AI in healthcare presents exciting opportunities for patients to improve the quality and accessibility of healthcare. That's all for today. We hope you liked the video. Let us know in the comments.